Well, that was a glimpse of what Jallikattu is all about. And now let's take you to Marina Beach, where many have thronged the entire beach coastline asking for Jallikattu to be legalized. There are children, there are women, there are youngsters, there are old people, there are professionals, as Tamil Nadu has come to a virtual halt, officer shutdown. That's the first statement coming this morning from Tamil Nadu Chief Minister O. Paneerselvam, taking stock of the situation, saying we are seeking legal opinion, have asked the centre to intervene, will send emergency order to request for centre's intervention. So one thing is very clear. From the yesterday's meet of the Prime Minister, the state government is passing the buck to the centre. The ball is in centre's court is what he has said. He said that we're seeking legal opinion as well. He is in the capital today. He's not in Tamil Nadu. He will be meeting lawyers. Interestingly, Mukul Rohatgi, Attorney General, yesterday said it is for the state government to enact a law in the traditional sport as well and legalize it. So which way will the ball swing? Let's go across to my colleague Pramod Madhav, who's at Marina Beach. Pramod, the first statement coming from O. Paneerselvam this morning. And this is what he says. He said that we've asked the centre to intervene. It is for the centre to decide. We will be seeking legal opinion, but it's for the centre finally to take the call. Will the supporters who are at Marina Beach be satisfied with this response?
Well, Devina, I got to explain to you that what O. Paneerselvam today has stated is that he has brought in some more legal matters. He's trying to explain it to the people of Tamil Nadu, stating that if the matter is in the Supreme Court, to bring an emergency ordinance, there is one more way where the Tamil Nadu government can pass a resolution stating that an ordinance should be brought in, through which it can be brought to the Home Affairs Minister, from where it should go to the president, and from the president to the governor. And if the governor approves to it, Jallikattu can be conducted. Now he is giving hope to the people over here. He is stating that if this amendment is passed, within another 2 days, they will be able to conduct Jallikattu. He is asking if the people over here, the protesters, will be happy over it. I'm going to ask you, hi, you've been one of the conductors over here. இப்போ வந்து O. Paneerselvam இந்த இத கவர்னர் மூலமா கொடுத்து செயல்படுத்தி கண்டிப்பா ஜல்லிக்கட்டு 2 நாள்ல நடக்கும்னு சொல்லிருக்காரு. உங்களோட கருத்து என்ன?
ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமான முடிவு தான். எங்களோட கருத்து ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமான முடிவு தான். இதுக்கு நாங்க வரவேற்கிறோம். ஆனா வந்து
இன்னும் கவர்னர்ட்ட வாங்கல. இது வாங்கல. இப்போதைக்கு கண்டிப்பா நடக்கும்னு சொல்லிருக்காரு.
இல்ல, நாங்க வந்து ஒரு தெளிவான ஒரு முடிவு தான் இன்ன வரைக்கும் வச்சிருக்கோம். வாடி வாசல் திறந்தா மட்டுமே எங்களது வீட்டு வாசல் திறக்கும்னு நாங்க சொல்லிட்டோம். இதான் எங்களோட ஒரே முடிவு. வாடி வாசல் எப்ப திறக்கப்படுதோ அப்பதான் நாங்க எங்க வீட்டு வாசல் திறந்து நாங்க போவோம்.
Well, Devina, he says like even the Chief Minister has once again given a hope, stating that of course Jallikattu will happen. People over here saying that the Badi Basel, the gate through which the bull will run across, until that they get opened, they are going to stay here. So OPS has 2 more days. If he goes through that and conducts Jallikattu, until the gate is open, they are going to be here. That is not just like, we don't have, there are like various other people over here. I'm going to ask her as well. Now the Chief Minister ऐसा बोला है कि that there are 2 more days, there is a possibility to conduct Jallikattu. इसके बारे में आपका क्या मामला है?
इधर पे कॉलेज के स्टूडेंट्स लोग भी है, पूरे औरत लोग भी है और छोटे छोटे बच्चे लोग भी है, और हम ट्रांसजेंडर है. हम सब तमिलन है. मोदी जी, हमारा कलाचार का हमारा जल्लीकट्टू आप दीजिए. आपके पास हम पैसा कुछ नहीं मांगे, हमको हमारा कलाचार जल्लीकट्टू दीजिए. आप इमीडिएट असेंबली कर लीजिए और सब मिनिस्टर को बुलाइए. हमारा कलाचार का हमारा जल्लीकट्टू दीजिए.
That is what they want, to save their tradition. Well, the people over here are happy with the way OPS is giving more hope now, stating that Jallikattu would definitely happen, but they still want to wait, because last year also same thing happened. Jallikattu, they gave hope but it did not happen, so they want to wait unless it becomes a reality, Devina.
Yeah, but last year also, Pramod, it was Jayalalitha at the helm of affairs, who has very successfully been able to swing a notification from the centre for Jallikattu, although it was kept aside by the Supreme Court. But as O. Paneerselvam is desperately trying to find a legal option. He has said that there could be an emergency emergency law which should be enacted in the coming few days. But what are the options in front of the state government? Let's list it out also for our viewers. First option that the Tamil Nadu government has at the moment is to enact a law. As per the Attorney General of India, they can enact a law to make Jallikattu a traditional sport. The second option, which they've already tried, is to get the centre to pass a notification to ensure that bull as an animal is kept out of the restricted animal list so that Jallikattu is legalized. Third option, of course, is the legal option, which we are waiting and watching out for. But the Apex Court has ruled out any hurried verdict in this case.